Is it time to buy or sell FinVolution Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into FinVolution Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of August in the year 2025, our system has ranked FinVolution Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.48. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a loss of 4%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 1.33%, since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower section of a very broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $8.31 be breached, it will initially suggest a slower rate of ascent, but may also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible 3.27% change over the forthcoming 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between -0.772% and 28.26%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 54.12%. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from 50.94% to 124.94% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $13.06 and $19.46. Our latest daily update for FinVolution Group includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for FinVolution Group. The FinVolution Group stock price declined by 1.59% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, dropping from $8.79 to $8.65. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.22%, ranging from a low of $8.43 to a high of $8.87. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.29% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which, coupled with the stock's decline, can be seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movement. On the last trading day, volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $19.81 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $11.08, while the lowest was $5.14. Currently, the price stands 21.93%, or $2.43, below the 52-week high of $11.08, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. FinVolution's results for the second quarter and the first half of 2025 demonstrate clear momentum in revenue and faster international adoption. In the first half of the year, transaction volume rose to 106.1 billion renminbi, reflecting an increase of 9.4% year-over-year. Revenue for this period reached 7.059 billion renminbi, representing an 11.5% increase, while international revenue surged by 30.2% to 1.507 billion renminbi, now accounting for 21.4% of the total. In the second quarter, transaction volume was 54 billion renminbi, showing a growth of 10.9%. Outstanding loan balances increased by 18.1% to 77.5 billion renminbi. And the number of registered users reached 180.9 million, up by 11.5% year-over-year. The company also successfully closed a convertible senior note offering valued at $150 million and published its latest environmental, social, and governance report. Positive commentary from analysts highlights improving profit margins and an attractive forward multiple. reflecting a rebound in profitability and growth in international markets. In the short term, these results, coupled with fresh financing, should support the stock. Strong growth coupled with a rising international mix can lead to further upside. However, the convertible structure and any near-term market sensitivity to macroeconomic or regulatory developments in China could limit potential rallies. Looking at the long term, sustainable double-digit growth in underserved emerging markets, an increased share of recurring international revenue, scalable institutional funding, and margin expansion suggest a case for a higher valuation, provided that credit quality remains stable. Key risks that could hinder longer-term returns include changes in China's regulatory landscape, macroeconomic credit cycles, and potential dilution if the notes convert. Analyst ratings. On Friday, May 23, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned FINV a buy rating accompanied by an upgrade action. On Tuesday, March 18, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup also assigned FINV a buy rating with an upgrade action. On Monday, August 26, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies designated FINV with a buy rating and a hold action. On Wednesday, February 1, 2023, it was reported that UBS again assigned FINV a buy rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, August 24, 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned FINV a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned FinVolution Group stock an overall buy rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong buy recommendation. The following signals have been identified for FinVolution Group. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The FinVolution Group stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $8.96 and $9.36. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which diminishes overall risk, as volume is typically expected to follow price movements. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 4.98%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 66 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for FinVolution Group. FinVolution Group finds support from accumulated volume at $8.59. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 440 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.22%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 4.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for FinVolution Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 20th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for FinVolution Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for FinVolution Group is at $8.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, FinVolution Group encounters its first support level at $8.59. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is FinVolution Group stock a good buy? FinVolution Group exhibits several negative indicators, and we believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we anticipate that FinVolution Group will open lower by 0 and begin trading at $8.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.